Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson LQ2180 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, and after that scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson LQ2180 printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. Go to this link. So Epson, then our web printer name and support. Go to this link. Don't go to any other link. Go to this link. Here we find epson.com and our printer name. Open that link. I give this link in the YouTube description. Also use that link if you want. Okay, after that, here we find our printer name and scroll down. Here we find operating system. Click at here. Please choose an OS operating system. Click at here, and here we not find Windows 11, Windows 10 or any 7, 8, 8.1 because it is a very old printer, but we can use Windows 7 drivers in our Windows 10 or 8, 8.1. Okay, go to here, and if your machine is 32-bit, then use Windows 7 32-bit drivers, and if your machine is Windows 10 64-bit, then use Windows 7 64-bit driver. My machine is Windows 10 64-bit, so I select Windows 7 64-bit. Click on this go button. Page goes to the refresh. Wait for a few seconds, and after that scroll down. Here we find our drivers. Okay, go to the printer driver or go to the drivers, expand drivers, and here we find printer drivers. Both are same. Go to the printer drivers, click on the download, and download is started at the top and it's completed on our PC or laptop. Go to the downloads, click on show in a folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver or printer setup file, and these printer drivers are actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Go to our setup file, right click on our setup file and click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Now it is extracted. Here we find our folder. Double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed, the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to here, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find any port name USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port, click on the next, click on Havadix, click on browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find single file. Select that single file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find Epson LQ2180, our printer name. Select that printer name, our printer name, and here we find this driver has an unauthorized signature, and it's give one error, and we also solve that error in the next step. So I select this printer and click on the next. Here we find the printer name. I go with this printer name. If you want to change a printer name, then add any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name and click on the next. Now we find our error. Okay, click on this install. It is an official Epson printer and official Epson website, so it is a very old printer. That's why this error is appeared. Click on the install. Okay, now it's install our printer. If you want to share this printer on our network, then select last option. I don't want to share in the network, so I select do not share this printer. click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson LQ2180, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 or any other Windows PC or laptop by the simple way, or work with the Windows operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.